The Mapper Demexplorer has been upgraded. The Earth Navigation Preview is now a 3x3 tile view instead of a 2x2 tile view, which provides a smoother navigation experience. Preview navigation for north, east, west, and south directions are now almost twice as fast. Additional height map resolutions are now available with the 3x3 viewport, including 1536, 3072, 6144, 12288, etc. A new section drop-down allows choosing only a 2x2 tile quadrant to download, with height map resolutions of 1024, 2048, 4096, etc. The tile fetching code has been multi-threaded for better performance and a non-blocking interface. The height map download can now be cancelled if you change your mind. An estimated download time display now shows approximately how long it will take to download the full viewport height map, and the height map download now includes an elapsed time display. The Favorites buttons include a paste feature to paste a single comma-separated text favorite. The Mapper now supports the file scale system when downloading height maps. So after downloading, check the file scale dialog range to see if it looks correct, then use the Geoscale dialog to set the spacing to the file scale values. And typically set the spacing XZ to 300 since this is 3-meter data on Mapper. This value assumes that you've set the settings units to centimeters. The Favorites Edit dialog now includes an Import button to import a CSV file. The dialog also displays the currently selected Favorites properties. A free set of Mapper Favorites CSV file can be downloaded from the TerreSculptor Free Assets Google Drive. Zooming in on Mapper unfortunately does not keep the center pixel at the center of the map viewport. This is because the data retrieved from the internet server is in 256 by 256 tiles, so there is no availability to have pixel precision for centering while zooming. The only way that pixel precision could be implemented is if 3 times as many tiles were pulled down at one time, and then the map was pixel shifted by half a tile to maintain the center pixel. This would slow down the interface tile fetching by 3 times though. So be aware that the center pixel of the map viewport will offset by 128 pixels every time that you zoom. A note for navigating Mapper. If you find it too difficult to navigate due to the fact that the tiles are height map data only, and you wish to see a satellite map with names of cities and geographic features, then go to Earth Explorer and use their map. You can zoom in and out, navigate to the location that you want, then look at the latitude and longitude under the mouse cursor for the location, and enter those values into Mapper.